Quality is the baseline. Reliability is everything. Today, follow PCBasic behind the scenes and see how we use 3D X-ray inspection to meet IPC Class 3 standards in real operations. The IPC standard is the global benchmark for electronics assembly quality. Class 3 is the most stringent level, reserved for industries where performance, lifespan, and safety are critical, like aerospace, medical, and defense. Every solder joint must be nearly flawless to pass. 3D X-ray is a non-destructive, non-contact inspection technique. It captures multi-angle X-ray scans to generate a 3D internal image of solder joints. It reveals common issues like voids, cold joints, solder bridges, or misalignment, especially in packages like BGA or QFN where defects are hidden from view. At PCBasic, in addition to the basic procedure used in 3D X-ray applications, we have also added the following. The engineer manually reviewed and issued the inspection report. All images and inspection results are logged in our MES system for traceability. Whether it's voids, offset balls, bridges, or micro cracks, our 3D X-ray system catches them all. We implement a full chain inspection system. SPI to check solder paste height and alignment. AOI for optical verification of placement accuracy. 3D X-ray to inspect internal solder quality. And final manual inspection by our engineers. Every board is trackable. Every defect is accountable, and every detail is owned. At PCBasic, we don't just make boards, we deliver reliable connections. With 3D X-ray, quality is visible and trust is tangible. Reach out to PCBasic and start your next high-reliability PCBA project today.